What if the thinnest iPhone ever also packed a powerful new battery that could change the future of smartphones? That's exactly what Apple may be pulling off with the iPhone 17 Air. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for latest tech news. Apple is preparing to unveil its boldest iPhone redesign in years, and it's razor thin. The upcoming iPhone 17 Air, set to debut next Tuesday during Apple's highly anticipated launch event, is set to replace the Plus model and shake up the iPhone lineup with a sleek 5.5mm frame, making it the thinnest iPhone ever made. But here's the twist: thinner usually means less battery. That's been the biggest worry surrounding the iPhone 17 Air until now. Just days before launch, a fresh leak from TrendForce suggests Apple may have solved that problem with a silicon anode battery, a cutting-edge innovation that could change the game for slim smartphones. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, silicon anode tech replaces some graphite with silicon, allowing more energy storage in a smaller package. It binds better with lithium, giving the iPhone 17 Air more juice without sacrificing its ultra-thin design. That's not all. Apple's new featherweight flagship will reportedly feature a large 6.6-inch display, a single rear camera, eSIM-only support, and a battery only 2.49 amp thick, which is nearly half the size of the Pro model. It'll help 60 to 70% users get a full day of use, and while that's slightly below the usual 80-90% target, the use of silicon anode cells could be Apple's secret weapon. It's even rumored the same tech may power Apple's future foldable iPhone. Whether the iPhone 17 Air's battery will truly keep up is left to be seen, but one thing's certain: Apple's thinnest phone ever may also be its boldest leap in battery tech to date. Are you excited for it to launch? Tell us in the comments, smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider, and yes, hit the bell icon too so you stay updated with more tech news.